Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a prototype for your Figma design. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So this is your Figma template, right? What you want to do is let's say I'm just gonna create several frames, right? And try to make some changes to this Figma design. You want to go to prototype, and then you want to make any like adjustment that you want to, but usually you don't need to. If you want to run the prototype, you want to click on the play icon here. So it would take a few seconds to build it, but this is like a basic prototype. The Figma design is not the perfect one, it is not the correct, but if you want to switch out devices to run the Figma design, you can click on here and try to switch them around. But this is how you would create the prototype. Once you have this correctly finished and have the prototype running, you will see like the actual running app. But yeah, this is how you can create a prototype. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.